Right, parking spot. Potentially a nice little climb there. Let me just get my one-legged ass down here. There's I mean, it's got potential, hasn't it? Maybe. So park the car there. There's a bit of parking for a couple of cars. Potential little effort to get up there. Yeah. Let's have a quick look, mooch round. I've never been here before, so I'm not entirely sure. There's a couple of like rock mounds and stuff. Oh, hey, what's this? This could be interesting. So you could potentially, oh yeah. I mean that there, look at that there. That's got the makings of a little track there. Up here, look at that. You could come down that other side there. That would make a nice little obstacle, maybe. Would that? Would it? Oh, that could be interesting. That could be interesting. Bit of dog shit there. Watch what you're fucking doing. What all this is down here? Oh, long grass. Dodgy trainers. This is a bit of fucking, a bit of shite here, like. Someone looks like someone's been fly tipping, but these bit hills look interesting, to say the least. There's a seat there if you want to have a sit down. Fridge there to put your beer in. It's ropey round here, like. But these hills, these little, oh, what's that over there? There's more rubble and rocks that you can see over there. Interesting again. Can't be asked to walk all the way over there though, I'll be honest with you. I mean, it looks alright, just for a bit of, I don't know, there's some, looks like, what's that? Looks like an old slag heap. I know it's not a slag heap, but it's like rock and there's bloody horses in here somewhere. Or someone's just riding around on us, on a horse. Oh, that looks good. Someone's putting a shoe, anyone want a shoe? I mean, you've got a couple of, there's some good lumps of log there, you know. Tumble dryer, dry clothes. That's what I'm looking at. There you go. Richard, you wanted rock climbing? Yes, that's it. Like that is the there you go. That's what you got to get up. Let's see what we can do with that. Can't see no horses. There's a bit more rockery over there. I think there's a pub just round there and all as well, so we could like have a pint once we're finished playing up here. But yeah. I mean, it's a bit scruffy, but could be interesting. Definitely. Bit of a Kershaw car washer there, look at that. There's the lance. There's the lance there. I mean, there's plenty of bits of, I mean, this sort of, your logs and that. I've got a big axe. Got potential. Anyway, I'm going home for my tea, so I'll see you all later. Ciao.